There's more of the Beehive Trail. You can see a house over there in the distance. This is almost heaven. We haven't seen bears yet. Clouds are starting to roll in. Looking real bad up there. All right. Go.
You see even other people can see her.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Jag lägger kvar så jag orkar nog själv.
That's right.
Okay, you listen to me around. If you go the way you go back.
No, the whole issue here is heat and climbing at altitude.
I think you may be, but see, there's no heat. It's cool. It's 70 degrees.
You're getting right close to turnaround. I mean, this may be as far as I go. I'll let you go a little further and